Good morning, dear tutor and classmates. This is my final exam about creating a video on our formation process. Well, this is the course of language forms and functions, and my name is Bryam. My tutor is Paula Plazas. And well, I choose the topic bad formation. In linguistics, bad formation is the process of forming a new word, a neologism, by removing actual or supposed epithets from another word. A bad formation is a shortened word such as edit created from a longer word editor. It means reduce editor to create edit. It is also acknowledged like bad derivation or called like bad derivation. As Huddleston and Pull-up have noted, there is nothing in the forms themselves that enables one to distinguish between affixation and back formation. Examples and observations. Well, a singular noun, P, was created from the older English plural noun, peace. The verbal burgle from the older noun, bulldog. The verb diagnose from the older English noun, diagnosis. Well, and so we can say that there is a long linguistic tradition of removing parts of words that look like prefixes and suffixes to come out with roots that weren't there to begin with. The weakening of the flexional ending during the early Middle English period, which made possible the derivation from verbs of a multitude of nouns and vice versa. It was also an essential to the rise of and development of bad formation. Bad formation are more likely to occur with very strongly intrusive patterns, and they have the effect of filling up a apparent void. The process has given us word bad formation from verbs for nouns. Here are some examples like lazy, lace, listen, lace, aggression, agrees, television, television, housekeeper, housekeeper, jolly, jolly, revision, revise, revise, relation, relates, affliction, afflict, enthusiasm, enthuse, administrate, administer, credit, credit, delimitate, delimit, interpret, interpret, orient, orient, register, register, remediate, remediate, revolt, revolt, solicitate, solicit. Well, bad formation is the word formation process in which an actual or supposed derivational affix is detached from the base form of a word to create a new word. Well, for example, the following list provides examples of some common bad formation created from a noun for a verb. Babysitter, babysit, donation, donate, gumbo, gumbo, hazy, haze, moonlighted, moonlight, obsessive, obsess, procession, process, resurrection, resurrect, sassy, sass, television, and televise. Bad formation is often the result of an overgeneralization of derivation suffixes. For example, the noun bad formation entered the English lexicon first, but the association that the ion on the end of the word is the ion derivational suffixes results in the creation of the verb bad formation. It means that we could say that bad formation therefore is the opposite of derivation, because it's the creation of new words after reduce a longer word. Well, here's the reference. Thanks for your attention. This is my video. I hope for your comments, and I really thankful with you for your contribution and the creation of this collaborative learning in this course. Thanks, really enriching this course for our learning and our integrating like professional future instructor. Thanks.